First, concept and terms in ICT. Technology. It is a scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. It also refers to a mix of process and product used in the application of knowledge. Technology plays a vital role in our society. It helps our economic growth better than before. Next, ICT literacy. Information and Communication Technology literacy, or ICT literacy, use of digital technology, communication tools, and/or networks to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society. So when we say ICT literacy, it is our ability to use tools of information. It is on how we integrate and embrace the technology or the ICT in the societies. Educational technology. Educational technology refers to the use of technology in teaching learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. In 21st century, teaching style helps the teachers to become more productive and practical. It might be both digital or non-digital. Next, digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technology and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills. It is on how we integrate and embrace the digital literacy. It is on how we are literate, knowledgeable in terms of technology and the internet. Next, digital learning. Digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practices that makes effective use of technology. It is on how we are being taught or orient on how to use technology in a proper with ethical use of technology. Next, online digital tools and apps use an internet connection. Online learning tools refers to any program, apps, a technology that can be accessed via internet connection. It is enhance the teacher's ability to present information and the ability of the student to access that information. For example, Skype. It is a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing videos, chat, and video calls between computers, tablet, mobile devices via internet and regular telephones. In school, we have Google Classroom. It is the ability or the media of communication by the student and teachers. Next, offline digital tools and apps. It is any program, apps that doesn't use internet connection to access, to work even when your internet connection get disconnected. Next, instructional technology. Instructional technology is the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the process and resources of learning. It is an instructional devices that we use or how to use technology and a proper with ethical standards. Next, software. Software is a program and other operating information used by a computer. It might be set of instruction or data, or a program used to operate computer. It is also refers to a program control instruction or multimedia. Multimedia is a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of format in a given presentation or self-study program. It is also refers to a variety of artistic and communication media using more than one medium of expression. Next, Internet. Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnection network. It is on how we access, or it is on how we use to access any digital or online app or tools in computer.
World Wide Web, also called as a web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documents that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the internet. The World Wide Web, commonly known as the web, is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resources locators, which may be interlinked by a hypertext and are accessible over the internet. Next, web access is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. Web access means having a connection to the World Wide Web through an access provider or an online service provider such as online. Next, WebQuest. Inquiry-oriented lesson form in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be created using various programs including simple word processing documents that include links to websites. It is an inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all the information that learners work with comes from the web. Next, productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal, professional, or classroom productivity. It is an application that allows for viewing, creating, and modifying of general office documents. Next, technology tools. It is an instrument used by doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goal with the use of the technology. Data calculation tools, design tools, discussion tools, email tools, handheld device. Or it is the electric tools, system, devices, and resources that generate, store, or process data. Next, blog is an online journal where posted information from both teacher and students are arranged. Three kinds includes blog for communication, blogs for instruction, and blogs for both. Or it is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web consisting of discrete, often informal diary-style text entries posts. Next, wiki. An editable website usually with limited access allows the students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files such as digital photos or videos. Example is Wikipedia. It is a website that allows collaboratively editing of content and structure by its users. Next, Flipped Classroom utilizes a reverse instructional delivery where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out of class activity as initial instruction of the lesson, which will be discussed during class time. It is a type of blended learning where students are introduced to content at home and practice working through it at school. Next, podcast. It is a video or audio multimedia clip about single topic, typically in format of radio talk show. Two basic functions are retrieve information and disseminate information. Or it is a recording audio discussion of a specific topic like business or travel that can be listened to. Next, Google Apps. It is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in Google Server and is available for students both at home and in school. Google Apps are suitable to web-based messaging and collaboration applications that Google hosts on their own servers. Next, Vlog is a video blog where each entry is posted as video instead of text. Blog is a personal account, website, or social media account which a person regularly posts short videos. Next, Facebook is a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Facebook is defined as online social networking website where people can create profiles, share information such as photo and quotes about themselves, and respond or link to information posted by others. And lastly, the VoIP is a category of hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission. Voice over Internet Protocol is a technology that allows you to make voice calls using a broadband internet connection instead of a regular phone line.